Hello, Sutana. Are you ready to do the coolest craft in the world?
Yes, Sam Lau. Round 1.
Then let's begin. Fight!
Hi, guys. Today we're going to create a Mortal Kombat craft.
Hi, everyone. Sue told me this is gonna be a high-tech craft.
Yes, it'll be state-of-the-art craft technology. Ta-da! We need short tubes made of pencils, see?
Do you need them to make this character?
Yes, Sammy, exactly.
Sue, why do you need hollow pencils?
I'll pass threads through them. Our character will move like a marionette.
Will you control it from above? That's a high-tech suit. That's old junk.
True fighters are never this impatient, Sammy.
What do you mean?
All the threads will be hidden. And guys, be careful with the drill. What's this?
Well, I was training, walking on a beam, and it broke.
Sammy, you won't have to fight yourself. Toy warriors will do that for you.
Yeah!
But a training session won't hurt. Yeah! This will be our second warrior with a slightly different outfit. And our warriors are almost ready for the battle.
I'm ready too.
Who are you going to fight? My warriors aren't ready yet. Here, I made holes with the drill beforehand.
You know, I could fight Scorpion, or better, watch him fight Sub-Zero.
Do you like classic fights, Sammy?
Who's stronger in your opinion, Scorpion or Sub-Zero?
Both of them are cool fighters. I really don't know.
Still, think harder. Who would you choose?
Well, I'd choose Scorpion. I think he's better.
But Sub-Zero has this cool magic power.
And Scorpion, well, he's a real weapon master. I bet he trains a lot. All the time, probably.
There you go again.
Of course, I'm totally for the healthy lifestyle and workout. Here, check the figure I made.
Sue, where's the second figure?
Here.
Whoa. Yeah, you'd make a great Scorpion. You're a master of cutting. And I'm Sam Lau. I'm gonna check if there's Sub-Zero in the fridge.
I'm afraid your main enemies are going to be ice cream and overeating. Our neighbor Roger helped me make this wonderful table. And this is the future ring for our fighters.
Sue, how will we know who wins?
I'll hide a tricky mechanism under the table. It will indicate the energy level of the opponent.
Like in a real computer game?
Yes! Check out how realistically they move. Just like a true ninja.
This is a new level of marionettes. It's genius, Sue. Do you agree, guys? Give a thumbs up to this craft and our talented Sue.
Thanks, Sammy. Defend yourself, Sam!
Oh, you're already here.
Fatality!
Oh, Susie, that's not fair. I officially declare that you cheated to win that fight.
Oh, sorry, Sammy, but it's not my fault you got distracted. Train your alertness.
What you making?
I need to cut a piece off of this stick. There. And upgrade the popsicle sticks a bit more. You're gonna make health bars for characters out of them.
Sue, is Mortal Kombat the first fighting game in the world? I've heard so much about it, it's legendary.
No, Sammy, the first game in this genre was created in 1979.
10, 20, 40, more than 40 years ago. That's hard to believe.
But it's a fact. The first fighting game was made for arcade machines. It was a very simple pixel art, but still a real video game.
Were there ninjas too, like in Mortal Kombat?
No, actually the characters were knights. The game was called Warrior. The characters were projected onto a printed background. Okay. There we go. Let's add some color. Red. This will be the health bar. It will decrease automatically. Let's add one more detail to see a better view of the health bar. This LED tape. Did I tell Sam to add a tape like this? Why do I worry? He's a crafts master after all. He'll do everything right. Right?
You're so slow, Sue. Look, I've got everything ready.
Awesome! See, I told you he'd do great. Both bars are ready. I also made this. Pass me the glue gun, please.
Guys, I remind you that the glue gun is very hot. Be careful working with it.
Or ask an adult to help you. Let's glue the 2 bars here, where we can see them well.
I don't get it. How do we know how much health the player has lost?
I'll make special sensors for it. Fetch 2 motors in the meantime, please.
I also found this string next to the motors. Do you need it?
Oh! I forgot about it, thanks. Let's make little holes in the cardboard. We need them for the motors. Be very careful with the awl, guys. This way, the motors will hold and function better. You'll see soon. The motors will move the health bars of our characters. Let's apply some glue here. And attach the motor carefully. The same goes for the second motor. Here. By the way, did you notice that our characters are going to move only along one line? That's the classic fighting mode. Game developers don't make 3D fighting games, neither for arcade machines nor for consoles. Not even for computers, actually. So the characters can only move along the screen. They can't move deep into the screen. So we followed that very rule too.
So look, while you were working on one bar, I dealt with the second one.
Wow, Sammy, good job. When did you do it?
You were talking about fighting games for too long, even if it was very interesting.
We need to glue several more pieces. Sammy, I've got a question for you. Let's test your intuition.
I know everything. Shoot!
The other day, we watched a fencing tournament on YouTube.
Oh, I remember that. They had those suits, almost like space suits.
Right. How do you think referees know when one fencer touches the other with their weapon?
Well, I think they just know who's cooler and see how awesome he's fighting.
Are you sure?
Yes, Wait. I guess I got what you're implying. The fencers have some sensors. Yes! Sensors on their suits and swords.
Bingo! Well done. I'm making the same kind of sensors for our game, using these foil pieces. When one character touches the other one with the weapon, the health bar will decrease. Check out how we arrange the wires. Now let's connect everything into one system. Watch closely. We're creating our electrical circuit. Be very careful here.
Physics. You create and I'll check.
We connect these wires this way.
Correct.
These wires should be connected to the motors, and these go to the battery.
Correct so far.
Now we solder.
You can't take the soldering iron out so suddenly. You frightened me.
Sammy, it's still off, but you're right. This is a dangerous tool. I should be very careful with it. Now the soldering iron is heated, and we can carefully connect the wires.
So we need to run a beta test before the launch.
And where did you learn these kinds of expressions? Look, guys, it works.
I've got a friend programmer.
An imaginary friend?
No, I messaged him on the internet.
Guys, our system works. Now we need to put it all together.
Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and then all the focus right here.
Mortal Kombat is waiting for you.
I'm ready to fight. Are we already starting?
No, not starting. We're already finishing.
I'm confused. How can we be finishing if we haven't started yet?
We're finishing the craft, Sammy, but not starting the fight. It's time to warm up. Let's find out who's cooler in the ring.
Round 6, fight! I'm ready to show you who's a marionette master. Ready, Sutana?
You're too confident, Sam Lau. Round 1.
Here's the first kick.
Oh no! I think I could lose.
Come on.
Ah.
No!
Oh, things aren't looking good.
Aha!
Ah.
Fatality.
I won't give up so easily. Round 2.
Ha, I'm ready for everything.
I've learned from my mistakes.
Are you sure, Sue?
Yep. Round 3.
I'm ready. Oh no!
Oh, yeah.
Ugh, fine, sue you in this time. I was really cool at the real Mortal Kombat.
Woo! I liked it too. What about you guys?
If you did, give our craft a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Bye-bye.